Welcome to the AAAPOS WebStore Manager tutorial. Section 4.4. Product Export Options to Shopify. Select Settings. And select Shopify Setup, then select Product Export. Publish field. Select this option to export products from Retail Manager to Shopify. You have the option to set the status for new products. Selecting Active means the product will go live when exported, while Draft allows you to make final edits on Shopify before activating the product. Select this option to export inactive products from Retail Manager to Shopify. Please note, we do not recommend this. Select this option to export changed products only from Retail Manager to Shopify. Please note, when you do your first export from Retail Manager to Shopify, this option must not be selected. Once you have done your first export, come back and select this option. Use a formula to detect changes in WebStore Manager and Retail Manager since the last publish event from WebStore Manager. If no change is detected, it will skip looking up any information in Shopify. This is useful to limit the number of interactions between WebStore Manager and Shopify. It will greatly speed up the synchronization process by making fewer API calls to Shopify. Each product in Shopify has a SKU and barcode field. By default, WebStore Manager maps the Retail Manager barcode to the SKU in Shopify. Select this option if you prefer the Retail Manager barcode to be mapped to the Shopify barcode instead of the SKU. The difference is that the SKU will show in Shopify to the customer, but the barcode will not be visible to the customer. Please note, when publishing products to Shopify, if the product is new, all information entered in WebStore Manager and any from Retail Manager will be published in full for the first time. To control any subsequent publications from WebStore Manager to Shopify, you can switch on or off what is updated by selecting which Publish Product options to update. Any option not selected will keep its existing value in Shopify. Miscellaneous field. Product tags are another way to relate products to each other. Select this option to use a Custom 1 or Custom 2 field in Retail Manager or WebStore Manager to export product tags to Shopify. Then choose which custom field you would like to use. If adding more than one tag, separate each one with a comma. Please note, there is a 50-character limit for both Custom 1 and Custom 2 fields. If you expect to exceed this limit, use the WebStore Manager tag instead. For more information on adding tags to a Custom 1 or Custom 2 field, go to Section 7.2, Advanced Product Searching, Sorting and Grid Options, and Section 7.3, General Product Information in the WebStore Manager tutorial. If you are already using the Custom 1 or Custom 2 fields for other things, do not select this option. You can enter tags directly into WebStore Manager. For more information on how to add tags directly into WebStore Manager, see Section 7.11, Miscellaneous Product Options in the WebStore Manager tutorial. Export Product Type Category. In Shopify, you can add a unique product type for each product. A product type is a way to create a custom category if you need something in addition to Shopify's standard categories or Retail Manager's categories. Export product barcode that you enter in WebStore Manager will be exported as the barcode for Shopify. This is not the Retail Manager barcode. If you have set Map Shopify barcode to Retail Manager barcode, then the Retail Manager barcode will automatically export to this field regardless of any separate barcode entered in WebStore Manager. Export Product HS Code. The HS code provides information to customs about which tariffs to apply to an order. Find your HS codes and assign them to the products that you ship internationally. Export Product SKU. Select this option to export Retail Manager barcodes to Shopify's SKU. Export product attributes and terms if you have products that are sold by color and size. This will then group multiples of the same product, but in Shopify it will show it as one product where the customer can choose color and size. Enter your product template suffix here. You can leave this blank if you are using a standard template. Shopify brand field. Select Export Shopify vendor and choose a custom field from Retail Manager to export the brand of a product to Shopify. Variable products field. Variants in Shopify lets you offer a set of variations on a product with control over prices, stock image, and more for each variation. They can be used for a product like a shirt, where you can offer a small, medium and large, and in different colors. Select this option to create product variations using the Custom 1 or Custom 2 field as a style number or group number in Retail Manager or WebStore Manager. This style or group number will link multiple products in Retail Manager to become one variable product in Shopify with size and color options. Please note, if you are using variant products, you will also need to create attributes and assign those attributes to categories. For more information, see Section 5.3, Setting up Variants and Variations for Shopify, and Section 6.3, Mapping and Managing Categories and Collections from Retail Manager to Shopify in the WebStore Manager tutorial. Descriptions field. Export product title. You only select this option if you are regularly changing the description. Export product long description. You would only select this option if you are regularly changing the long description of the product. Shipping field. Export product weight if you intend to enter the weight of each product and use an app in Shopify, which then calculates the freight price based on the weight and measurements of a product and the delivery location. If you have a set price for freight, then you do not need this option. Export product shipping options. Select this option if all products require shipping. Choose your delivery of orders service and fulfillment of orders service if you use this in Shopify. To download this information from Shopify, select Manage, then select Download Options List, and then select your preferred options. Inventory field. Export product inventory quantity if you want your stock quantities to be uploaded from Retail Manager to Shopify, which will help you to avoid selling products which are out of stock. Allow sales of products when no quantity available if you want to sell all products even if you don't have them in stock. This is ideal if you do drop shipping directly from the supplier. Please note, you can also set this option for individual products. Select this option to enable stock management of products from Retail Manager to Shopify. This will enable you to not sell products that you do not have in stock. Please note you can overwrite this option on an individual product level. For this option, go to Section 7.8, Inventory Management, for a product in the AAAPOS WebStore Manager tutorial. Set your inventory location. To get your locations, select Manage, then select Download Options List. If you have multiple store locations, just select the location for this store. Pricing field. Export product price if you want to export product prices. Any new products added will always upload the price of a product. Export prices tax exclusive and the number of decimal places if you want to export your prices exclusive of tax. Export pricing grades default stock price to export the default grade price from Retail Manager. Make RRP round to the nearest 1, 5, 10, 20, or 50 cents, or to the nearest $1. You would generally select this option if you are exporting prices exclusive of tax. Primary Product Image Resize Options field. Select this option to automatically resize your primary product images before uploading to Shopify. This will keep all your primary images in perfect uniform, which will result in a better Shopify look. Select your desired width and height in pixels, which will resize all your primary product pictures to your website. Select this option when your image size is less than the resize dimensions, and this will center your image. Select this option to add a border around your images for Shopify, and then choose the color of your border. For more information on how to add product images, see Section 7.7, Adding Images to a Product in the WebStore Manager tutorial. Category and Collection Image Resize Options field. Select this option to export mapped categories or collections from Retail Manager to Shopify. For more information, See Section 5.3, Setting up variants and variations for Shopify, and Section 6.3, Mapping and managing categories for collections from Retail Manager to Shopify in the AAAPOS WebStore Manager tutorial. If you have a customized collection template suffix, you can add it here. You can leave it blank to use the default template. Select your collection sort order here. Select this option to automatically resize your category and collection images before uploading to Shopify. This will keep all your collection images in perfect uniform, which will result in a better Shopify look. For more information on how to add collection images, go to Section 6.3, Mapping and managing categories and collections from Retail Manager to Shopify in the WebStore Manager tutorial. Select your desired width and height in pixels, which will resize all your primary category pictures to your website. Select this option when your image size is less than the resized dimensions, and this will center your image. Select this option to add a border around your collection images for Shopify, and then choose the color of your border. For more information on how to add collection images, see Section 6.3, Mapping and managing categories the collections from Retail Manager to Shopify in the WebStore Manager tutorial. Be sure to save your work when you are finished.